This meat place.
Look at that. Those burgers are looking good already.
This is from the McDonald's days quite a few years ago. Flippin'.
Flippin'?
Flippin'. Flip it. This is a nice
Not
sauce
like
from our
Lisa from Green Acres.
friends. Lisa from Green Acres has had some difficulty learning to make pancakes that don't feel like
Bricks? Oh, he's got a special
It's
spice.
the keg.
It's the keg spice.
James loves the keg.
Yeah. You got a good.
The keg is a steak
keg
place.
spice.
I don't know if it's just
Oh,
in Canada
we
or
got
everywhere.
Mama coming down.
No, it's here.
Birthday glasses.
Oh, the birthday glasses.
Birthday glasses.
He thought you might be thirsty.
And
Oh,
birthday
this is
drink.
Too much. I don't like this. This is now sluice.
Oh, not, no, the day's not over.
Sluice, Mom.
The day's not over.
Oh
It's
yeah.
time for your nap.
No, we're gonna have burgers first.
We're going to be quiet and let Mom nap.
Okay.
Now, this is something very therapeutic also for him when he's recovering.
Yeah, normally
being
we
able
don't
to-
make the birthday boy do his own cooking, but he's the best barbecuer in the family, so
Well, everybody can do it good.
yeah.
Joy
But
got very gourmet beef burger patties from Mad Butcher. I'm okay, Ma. I want to keep them. I'm serious. I want to keep them. I want to use them. And because our brother just came out of the hospital yesterday and he wanted beef. So we are having beef burgers today. And now they're on here for 6 minutes each side, maybe.
nice.
Delicious. It's going to be very good.
It's gonna be good.
It's going to be good.
Yep.
And I have wonderful sister Joy filming, and wonderful sister Heidi, and my brother James, and Mom. You know, our family used to be bigger, and now everyone has gone different directions for different reasons, good and otherwise. Everybody's always welcome. Welcome if we can fit in with each other, if we can accept each other, and if we can be a part of each other's lives in a positive way. And so we celebrate always wherever we are. And I haven't had the opportunity to celebrate with my family many times over the last 20 or 30 years. But because of the situation, the blessing in disguise was we could be together and I could enjoy this birthday together, which will be a memory the rest of my life. And they gave me a GoPro 9. One of the top vlogging cameras, so this YouTube thing is going to be getting serious.
It's gonna take off.
It's going to take off. I'm looking for number 218 subscribers. Backyard come to become a sensation with my brothers.
Can you spell that for our viewers?
Yes, it's Backyard is BACKYAWD.com. Backyard.
Awesome.
And we're going to have
You heard
so
it
much
first from the birthday boy.
fun. Okay. It's my birthday. We're eating there at the Mandarin Garden Buffet. And we're going to do an unboxing of my birthday present, the GoPro Hero 9. First you got to see this buffet. It's delicious. The owners, Troy and Kara, do a fabulous job. Come on inside. Let's see what they've got going today besides the delicious mussels from New Zealand, which I love.